If you're feeling low, then give it a go.
You know when you're doing a song about a small town,
Try Lambert's sniffing salts today.
you gotta start it with a cliche, you know what I'm saying? Like, time moves a little slower here. The pain pills, cause the summer's here, it's Lucifer.
Hello guys, I am here at Pascoe Vale in request for Tim and Ben 1, Melbourne Railway videos and Gary Gov. Here we have a steaming departing 831M, Reburn service. Shortly we'll have a comment about arriving.
We have a comment around to platform number 1. Service.
This will be a Flinders Street service, Alstom. Alstom is a refurbished comment is the front half without the PTV livery. It hasn't got the PTV writing thing, and also it's Alstom on the back as well.
Man, it's raining.
So it's a full Alstom comment.
Front car is
622M.
622M.
I'll film the rest. This train is departing. (622M). (621M), 675M. Last carriage 676M. Our train is about to arrive. This is a Craigman service, this is Siemens. 800M. 7999M. 7367M. Anyway guys, I'm going to have to wrap up the vlog. Goodbye.